Yes, but there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one, you know. Yeah. They have my people, you know. Just some things I want to talk to you about, alright? So, first up, my people, let me present a video to you that has been posted on social media, claiming that the persons who you can see in this video are said to be thieves. Viewers and subscribers, let's take a look at this video and tell me what you think, my people. Observe with me, because I may have more to say about this video itself. Look, listen and observe. Alright, so with that the nice day I make now, my people. With that the nice day we make. You tell me say, I really like. I wonder if nobody no hear that. Come here in that video. But this is no joking thing still, you see me? So, when a video like this reach on social media now, and that the motor vehicle where you can see in the video, I don't even talk about license plate because I get to understand say you have criminals who drive motor vehicles or do certain crimes with license plate that not even registered to the motor vehicle or don't belong to the motor vehicle. So I say, so I get the understanding there. But I tell you this, I don't know. I don't know, some people have heart with certain things, brother. Certain things make me nervous, you know. I don't have time for certain things neither. My people, I say big things are going on throughout the world. And the thing about it, what I think about is that to know that you have certain things out in the workman, you just put it in a little place and put a padlock on it, or a little grill up thing or something, you know, and then you put a padlock on it, and then at the same time, somebody or persons just come and work together and do certain things like that. It just really set away. You see me, I say, you have a business place and it's like you have to have it on some hardcore lock and key and you have to be vigilant and but I mean, I tell you, it's rough out there, my people. It's really rough, man. I tell you. You see me, I say. Alright, so here I'm going to present another video to you. This video is not really a long video, you know, but this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a certain number of motor vehicles that have been damaged. You see me, I say, and one of those motor vehicles is a police service motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? So, I don't have any confirmed information to determine which motor vehicle hit which motor vehicle and so forth. I don't even have any confirmed information as to how many motor vehicles have been damaged. You see me, I say? But if you listen carefully, you can hear someone talking in the video. And in my point of view, I think that that person was somewhat pointing out certain things about the situation. So, viewers and subscribers, let's take a look at this video and tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Head bitch with a ringtone. Blood. Have a check. Fuck up that one there, what that's up? The one that done that's up? Shit! Fuck up this one that's up?
Well, when it comes down to a situation like that, viewers and subscribers, I really and truly hope that everyone are alright and that nobody had been badly injured or anything like that. You see me I say? Yeah, because them things there just not nice. You know, you can always fix back all high and our motor vehicle and them things, but when it comes down to the human body, oh, protect it. You see me I say? Alright, now I got information that police held a person of interest in connection with the situation where it is said that a security guard had been shot and killed, and at least one other person had been injured during a robbery in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now, for those who might not have an understanding about the whole situation or don't know anything about the whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to at least one of those videos that I did about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Now, allegedly, it is said that the person had been held during a police operation, and allegedly, it is said that the person was found with a gun and ammunition. See? So, it is said that police, or should I say, allegedly, it is said that police believe that the person might have information to help with the investigation, viewers and subscribers, or with the whole situation where it is said that a person had been shot and killed during a armed robbery, or the fatal armed robbery, as also some persons might say. So may I say viewers and subscribers, because at least one person died. So may I say, and the thing about it to viewers and subscribers is that ever since that incident happened, me say a certain amount of videos posted on social media pertaining to that incident are to help try bring an awareness to security guards out there, viewers and subscribers. Like for example, this video that you're looking at, viewers and subscribers, you understand me, for some reason this video is being talked about on social media, and some of the comments them basically are relating to the incident where it is said that a security guard had been shot and killed. You see me I say other things have been said as well. Anyways, if you look at this video, viewers and subscribers, you can see the name of a security company and a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, this video is being talked about on social media because of how security guards, who you can see in the video, was doing certain things while they're on the job, viewers and subscribers. See? Look and listen to this video for yourself. Observe.
Yeah, money that I do right now. Hold up some of that today.
So, I see one video that basically point out the risk of being a security guard, or the recklessness of security guards, viewers and subscribers. So, I say, and I saw another video, and I'm not sure if I quite remember exactly what that video was about. The point is, you know, I just get information about a situation, and it is said that a person of interest had been held in connection with the shooting death of a security guard during a robbery in St. Catherine, Jamaica. And allegedly, police believe that the person might have information that can assist the investigation. So that's one thing right there, you know. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.